Hey guys, so alam nyo na by now na the past few posts ko, I was talking about Tevian is about to launch the Ultimate Skin Master Flawless Cushion Serum. So ayun na nga, ang dami nang tatanong sa akin bakit daw yung serum yung pinangalangan na namin, and also kung paano ba ibenta or what's the difference between one case to another case color indications. So basically guys, yung case na yan, we have 4 color of case that you can choose because we want to give you the freedom to pick your own case so you can dress up your own cushion. So basically for me today, I'm choosing this pearlescent na leather type. So every case, it comes with a pouch like that. It will protect your case also because I know as a cushion lover also myself to make everything looks parang bago always. So I'm gonna put or providing it with a pouch so you can put it in your pouch or bag. It looks very clean also. And of course, the refill. Yung refill niya, ganito po yung itsura niya. Alright? And then nakalagay yung shades niya. And if you are same color as mine, so the shades will be chai. So the usual cushion type, so that it will come with a sachet also and the box. Then when you open it, you have the refill. Again, my details here and also the shades. My shades is chai and it comes with our custom puff. So, the size of our refill guys, we custom it. I make sure namin na super fit siya dito, and because this one we custom it also. So, yung perimeter niya dito, hindi siya the regular size of the cushion refill size. So, this one is really custom. So, you can insert it as usual. You insert it until you hear a click. Alright, it's really secure. And then now I'm going to open it together with you guys. This is already my 3rd or 4th unit that I've been using it on my skin. So when you open it guys, there you go. There's another layer of protector. You can peel it off. Ayan, pipil natin siya. There you go. And then there's a logo of Tevian also. So now, let me use it in front of you guys. So you guys can see also kung anong finish niya or anong tsura niya kung nakalapat na sa skin. So basically, you have to pick it up from the cushion. And then we put a rough surface here for you to tap the product. If you don't want it super makapal naka-apply sa face mo, then can you guys see? This is a light to medium coverage, so you can build them. It's buildable. Even when you build a lot, it will not become heavy on your skin because it is actually a serum cushion foundation. So ibig sabihin, a serum powered formulation. So ibig sabihin siya, parang makeup pack with a lot of skincare benefits. So when I said a lot of skincare benefits, we are not only using 1 or 2 or even 3 active ingredients, but we are using 7 botanical active ingredients that really will take care of your skin also. So yan, the effect of the finish is not only when you apply the formulation on your face, but in the long run of wearing them, it's really give the improvement of texture and also the glow on your skin, and it's really moisturize and taking care of your skin in the long run. So ayan na, this is with, this is without. Without. So you guys can see mas blurred yung texture ko dito compared to this one, and then discoloration is also gone. Mas even out niya, and my skin looks like a very well hydrated and hindi flat tingnan at the same time. Yan. So what do you guys think guys? Are you guys excited for November 17 for the launch of this Tevian Ultimate Skin Master Flawless Cushion Serum?